Welcome! If you're looking for the simplest way to export a PowerPoint file from Dropbox on your mobile device, you've come to the right place. Maybe you need to send a presentation via email, save it to your device, or open it in another app. Whatever your reason, this quick guide will get you there in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open the Dropbox app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into your account, and that the PowerPoint file you want to export is already uploaded to Dropbox. Once you're in, look along the bottom of your screen and tap the Files tab. This will show you a list of all your Dropbox folders and documents. Find the folder containing your PowerPoint file and tap it to open. Now, look for the PowerPoint file you want to export. Once you find it, look to the right of the file name for 3 small dots. That's the More Options button. Tap those 3 dots, and a menu will appear with several choices. From this list, tap Share. You'll see some familiar options, but for exporting out of Dropbox, you need to go a step further. Tap on Export within the Share menu. This is the key to saving or sending a copy of your PowerPoint file outside of Dropbox. You'll now see a list of possible destinations for your export. You might choose to send it by email, save it to your phone, or even open it in another app like Microsoft PowerPoint or Google Slides. Select your desired destination and confirm your choice with a tap. That's it. You've easily exported your PowerPoint file from Dropbox right from your phone. Now your presentation is ready to send, share, or edit where you need it. Thanks for tuning in.